Crypto blogger and book author Ben Armstrong has voiced his opinion that Justin Sun of the Tron Foundation engaged in wash trading. The fate of XRP, which was delisted by many exchanges due to the SEC's lawsuit, may befall Tron's TRX token. The SEC has been increasing its activity in the crypto space with lawsuits, Wells notices, and other actions. This has sparked criticism from the crypto community. This article provides an overview of the recent lawsuit initiated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission against Justin Sun, the founder and former chief executive of Tron Foundation, and the multiple other regulatory actions taken in the crypto space. BitBoy, a well-known crypto blogger, has brought attention to the potential implications of the SEC lawsuit for TRX and the crypto industry in general. Many crypto experts have responded to the SEC's actions, including Ripple's CTO David Schwartz, who has questioned the SEC's intentions in protecting investors. Further, Scott Melker has commented that Coinbase is likely to win in court against the SEC, as the facts are on their side. These comments have highlighted the complexities of the SEC's approach to crypto regulation. Renowned financial expert and cryptocurrency hater, Peter Schiff, made a surprise bow to the crypto community and Bitcoin investors in particular. He stated that they are right in their view of the Fed's latest actions and policies to control inflation. He believes traditional investors are still oblivious to the unfolding financial crisis. Although his son Spencer Schiff is pro-crypto, Peter Schiff himself is skeptical that Bitcoin will still be around when he turns 70. This article provides an interesting change of opinion from one of the most well-known cryptocurrency haters. Peter Schiff's surprise bow to the crypto community provides a refreshing perspective on the Fed's latest actions and policies. His analysis of the unfolding financial crisis and the potential for Bitcoin holders to invest in gold is thought-provoking. Although the expert himself remains skeptical of the cryptocurrency, his son Spencer Schiff is more optimistic, believing that his father will own a huge amount of BTC in 10 years. As the Shanghai upgrade approaches, traders have started to show increased interest in Ethereum through the purchase of call options. Additionally, the implied volatility for ETH has dropped, suggesting that the market is becoming more stable. Additionally, the number of new addresses on the Ethereum network has reached an all-time high. However, this may lead to an increase in selling pressure on ETH. The Shanghai upgrade might offset this selling pressure as the ETH held on the Beacon chain will be unstaked when the upgrade is complete. This article provides a comprehensive analysis of the current state of Ethereum in anticipation of the Shanghai upgrade. It is reported that traders have started to show positive interest in Ethereum, indicated by the increasing number of block call options traded and a decline in implied volatility. Furthermore, Ethereum is seeing a surge in new addresses joining the network and a decreasing number of addresses in loss. However, a potential increase in selling pressure due to profitable addresses may be offset by ETH being released from the Beacon chain after the upgrade. As such, it is likely that many addresses may hold their ETH for a longer period of time. Ripple has recently submitted a letter notice of supplemental authority. This is in an attempt to support their fair notice defense against the SEC in their ongoing legal battle. The SEC has responded by arguing that the excerpts do not provide any basis to deny the SEC's motion for summary judgment. Furthermore, neither decision even involves a fair notice defense. Pro-Ripple lawyer Jeremy Hogan has also weighed in. He stated that the SEC's response does not take away much bite from the Voyager judge's ruling, and that the order is really good for Ripple. Judge Torres might rule on summary judgment motions in the coming days, with 3 possible outcomes. Ripple President Monica Long has expressed optimism about reaching a positive resolution in the SEC case. This article provides an update on the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, including the regulator's response to Ripple's letters of supplemental authority. The SEC's response argues that the letters do not provide any basis to deny the SEC's motion for summary judgment. Ripple's lawyer Jeremy Hogan also weighed in on the response, stating his opinion that the SEC's reply does not take away much from the Voyager judge's ruling. The article also mentions a Fox Business piece by Eleanor Tourette, which states that the legal quandary between Ripple and the SEC might end soon, and Ripple President Monica Long's optimistic statement in a CNBC interview. Binance, an online exchange for cryptocurrencies, halted spot trading, deposits and withdrawals Friday morning after an issue with a spot order. Trading resumed by 10 a.m. EST, but Bitcoin saw a $700 sell-off before recovering. The halt comes amid growing criticism of the cryptocurrency market. Notable incidents such as FTX's collapse and arrest of its founder and Coinbase receiving a notice from the SEC have added to this criticism. This article discusses the halt of trading on Binance, an online exchange for cryptocurrencies, due to an issue on a spot order. This caused Bitcoin prices to drop by 2.5% before recovering. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao reported that the pause was caused by a bug on a trailing stop order and that trading resumed as of 10 a.m. EST on Friday with withdrawals enabled an hour later. The halt comes amid growing criticism of the cryptocurrency market, which has seen a number of scandals. Overall, this article provides a timely update on the current state of cryptocurrency trading and its associated risks. Matter Labs has opened its zkSync era to general users. This makes it the first zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine available in the market as competition from other Ethereum scaling providers intensifies. This is a significant advance in speeding up blockchain transactions and reducing the cost. It is based on cryptography known as zero-knowledge proofs and is compatible with Ethereum virtual machine. The launch was preceded by 7 independent security audits and users are warned to take the technology carefully. This article provides an overview of the race between Ethereum scaling platforms to launch the first zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine and its implications for the blockchain industry. Matter Labs opened the zkSync era to users on Friday, after launching for developers last month. This ZOVM is compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is a piece of software that executes smart contracts, making it easier for developers to design or reconfigure applications. The competition between developers to reach the market first with a ZOVM has been a source of intense speculation, with Polygon announcing their plans to launch their own version on Monday. Matter Labs had not previously disclosed when they intended to release their version, potentially giving them a competitive edge. The zkSync era has gone through 7 independent security audits and Matter Labs is referring to Friday's opening as an alpha launch, warning users to take it carefully.